warm as out when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears can't talk but show. You break his heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes you stare on me and make me say, I will do to all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. You change everything you see when I know I got you with me.
Maraming salamat, Ariel. Napakanta kami ni Pia do.
At ang daming na in love kay Ariel.
Yung buhok ka ni Kuya.
Dito sa studio.
Sinong Ariel?
Ikaw.
Yes.
Manalo.
Yung naka-red.
Yes.
Ano bang masasabi kaya ng ating judge?
Yes.
Senator?
Well, in fairness, marunong talaga siyang kumanta. Ngayon, siyempre, malaking bagay yung visual eh. Gumanda yung visual nung ma-focus kayong dalawa. Ano masasabi mo?
Totoo kaya yan?
Laglagan na to.
Ito, ready na kami. Laglagan na to.
Parang ayaw mo maniwala ko
Jose,
siya.
Ready na.
Kayo pa ba?
Naka-ready kami. No?
Pareho kayong letter P.
Gwapo-gwapo mo pa naman sa lighting na yan.
Ariel?
Yan. Madilim, di ba?
Ano kaya ang score ni Ariel? 18, 18, 18, 19, 18.
1918.
Maganda.
At ang ATM ni Ariel ay... 91! May laban yan!
Palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan.
Yan yung tinatawag na score na nag-aagaw.
Pero wag muna tayo magpakasaya. May kalaban kasi Ariel.
Pwedeng manalo.
Meron pang
Pwede rin
PNB
matalo.
number 2.
O saan yun, Wally?
Ikaw dapat ang sumagot, ha?
Dali, with feelings.
Kay, pupunta na namin para sa PNB number 2. Uli ko na.
Pag ano ko eh. Doon tayo sa Santos Family.
Yan! Santos Family!
Okay, halika Ariel.
Salamat po sa may bahay.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Arichu, thank you.
Thank you. Come again.
Aba,
Layo.
parang graduation ah.
Parang may gun salute pa. Oh, ano to?
Nagpo-pole dancing.
Wow! Shara Soto, ikaw ba yan?
Wow, ang galing. Ay, teka, parang naging
Ba't
iba.
parang naging monkey?
May evolution.
Hanapin natin si
Kanina
Julius.
Ciara, naging Alan Kay.
Idol ko yan. Sarah Ana Soto.
Julius!
Julius.
Ito na si Julius, oh.
Ba, Melissa. Julius, pwede ba kayong pumasok?
Pwede! Pwede ka mong dadaba, Miss Gino! Pasok! 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 Kasama namin yung PNB number 1, si Ariel.
Hi guys.
Wow, daming inbox.
Daming inbox
At
ah.
may cheering from bang boss. Happy birthday.
Okay. Kuya Julius. Sino ba ang makakalaban ngayon ni Ariel?
Pinakakilala lang sa inyo!
Ano to?
Galit ka ba, Julius?
Ano ka ba? Julius, ang trabaho mo ba,
away.
barker? Di ba? Oh, ito na! Sakay na! Tatuan na! Konti-konti lang! Mga ganon. Hindi naman, sir. Sige, pakilala mo na ulit. Malinaw.
Pinakikilala ko sa inyo.
Ganun din.
Ang pambato ng Santos Family, ang sexing, si Amy!
Matabayan.
Oh, patingin.
Matabayan. Oh. Laging kabaliktaran yan.
Kaya pala
Yay! Sexy. Wow, leg.
Ay, hindi legs yan!
Nice yan.
Braso yan!
Legs ko lang yan.
Amy, ikaw, meron ka na bang boyfriend?
Wala po.
Asawa?
Wala rin.
Huh?
Single and available.
Oh. Wow, Abel.
Puro bell.
Ilan taon ka na?
22.
22.
Yeah.
Tanong niyo kung bakit siya single.
Why you're single?
Because I'm studying pa.
You're studying.
Oh.
Check ang parents.
Why don't you try to stop your studying?
And then
When you get boyfriend, ah.
Yeah.
You know, studying is very at sa gabos sa boyfriend, ah.
Anong kurso?
You know, you're so azar.
I'm thinking of it na nga.
Anong kurso ba kinukuha mo? Pinag-aaralan mo?
Second course ko, law.
Second course. Oh, you're really hard to get a boyfriend with your course, you know. It's really hard to get a boyfriend with your course.
Yeah, no.
But of course, di ba?
Hello?
Azar.
Oh, yan.
Ayan, naglolo pala yan. Alam ko na kung anong kakantahin mo.
Ano?
Ipaglalaban ko.
Ay, oo.
Baka hindi yan.
Ano?
Ang ganda ng di ganlalaya na biting. Lahat sa kanya nakatingin. Titigan mo. Titigan mo. Kakalundo. Siya nag-low, low, 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 low.
Pala.
Habe.
Pala yung kakantahin mo.
Tapos na.
Habe sa tanghaling tapa.
O, tanungin na natin, ano ba kakantahin ni
Ano kakantahin mo
Ivy?
ba talaga
Pinatanong
kasi?
ni Pauline kung magkano raw sa liempo.
Ako naman sa pigi. Pwede 1/4.
Ano daw kakantay?
So, what are you gonna
Killing me
sing?
softly.
What are you gonna sing?
I'm gonna say Killing Me Softly.
Hindi
What
niya
do you
bagay.
do? You killing yourself, softly.
Hindi kaya bagay sa kanya yung killing me softly.
Anong ganda? Ano bagay?
Weak.
Okay, wait.
Bakit wait?
2, 3.
Weak!
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
You're so
Pakitaan kayo ni
nakakainis
Ivy
naman.
ngayon. Alam mo, Wally, na-insecure ka lang kay Ivy.
Uy, pupusina naman kayo ng konti.
Ikaw hindi ka naman weak.
Ano yan?
Baka weak ka nga naman, Wally.
Ay, Ruby, hindi ka raw weak. Pig ka raw.
Ay,
Huwag ganon.
hindi ko naman sinabing pig.
Ina ng bayan niya.
Diyan mo na, Ivy, at least meron ng isang mataas agad na grade sa'yo.
Pag tayo bababa. Nainip na. Bilisan niyo, babagsak na yung bahay.
O, kasi baka kailangan ni Ivy ng rapper, ha?
Ayan, rapper ha.
Killing me softly.
Ay, ako na yung rapper ha. Sagot ko na. Okay,
Killing
go.
me softly.
Sagot mo na yun, ha?
Yes.
Okay, Ivy, go for it.
Strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words,
Short time.
killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Do it now, Ray. I want to hold you on to try to make you and when something will take it over. And then we really want to tell you. Oh, here we go now.
I heard he sang a good song. I heard he had a style. And so I came to see him to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers. One time, saying my life with his words. Two times, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Masarap pa lang, iparap pa lang si Jose.
Oo nga, eh. So, para